Alright, good morning everyone. So here is my Samsung S21 Ultra, and with the bundle pack that I got the rugged protective cover case, which is this Samsung's protective case. I don't like it. This part, it works, but if you place it on edge, it doesn't stand. It's too flimsy, and this part actually falls out, and that's not something I care for. Easy to put back, but still. I had to use this while I was waiting for another phone case. I was hoping my Schnail case would work because it's almost a similar fit, and it should have worked. But the side body casing is a little bit off because of the design on the Ultra 5G. I would have loved to use this for which I got for the S20 Ultra, but what I got instead is this. It's the Armadillo Tech case foam, and it's a nice simple design. Just cut that part out. Look how easy that is to lift out. And as always, a nice little letter. I love their cases. Schnail case, Armadillo Tech. Turns out it's the same people, same family member. And alright, so basically I took this out, and you just place this case covering over. And I still don't have the screen protector yet, so I'm still using that little cover that came in. Oops, I forgot to take this out. Okay, actually, look at that nice housing design. I love that. Oops. Let's put it in this way. Nice design. Feels rugged, feels good. This one, of course, is a little bit thinner, but this definitely more sturdy, trustworthy. I just wanted to save that face. Okay. So there you go. Works nice. Solid. What you expect, you know? Because sometimes you like to keep it up in this mode and it works. Stable and supportive. The Schnail case one I do like for the lower center because it stands a little bit higher. So I still prefer this one for the S20 Ultra, but Definitely am liking this case. Thank you, Karl, because I'm loving this case.